All right, Floyd, so here is a rough draft template prototype of a mini manual for these contractors and the steps that you requested, which was opening and caulking. Like I said, we've been working at this daily for an hour and a half, and we're almost through with it. But this is based on Mark's initial skeleton template, and plus me, as you know, taking a lot of notes as I'm going through the process, and then we sit down and based on all of our experience, me and Mark and Billy, we kind of put this verbiage together and think it's pretty solid, and especially if you got pictures associated with it and eventually videos. But we're limited on what we have. As we go forward, like I said before, this will be an editorial outline, but this is a two-page spread. This is 8.5 by 11 standard sheets of paper. So two-page spread because the vision here is that we have a set of instructions, and then on the mirroring page we've got pictures associated with each step, and then the pictures are lettered with the associated step. Okay, so first part of this is BoxHouse Systems Procedures and Equipment Overview. Someone can read through this and see what it takes to set up a box house from zero to finish. Then we've got some images we think are really helpful. We've got, this is looking down from above on two box houses and some critical measurements for the sewer line and the water and power, and some recommendations here. And then throughout the systems, we use terminology that we're trying to be consistent with, so we give people an idea with an image here of the house of this different terminology. And then we come down to, I don't know where they're at in the process. You said opening and caulking, but I'm not sure if they're going to have to set the box house, so we just have a little piece here on prepping the site for setting the box house and all the different steps associated with it. Again, we'll have pictures associated with it, or I'll make some pictures, some makeshift pictures to the best of my abilities. But if they're knowledgeable construction guys, I'm sure they can figure it out, with some kind of pictures and instruction. And then we have opening box house, which is a little bit more lengthy. I think it's a few pages, but again, we've got some pro tips at the beginning. We've got step-by-step, different sections, ideally pictures associated with it. Some more opening the box house, lifting side walls, insulating gaps and pillars, finishing opening and leveling with pictures, and then the final steps and the tools needed with pictures. And then finally the backing, taping, caulking. We've got some pro tips at the beginning to make sure that things look really nice. We cover roof caulking, exterior, interior window caulking, interior caulking, pictures associated, and then penetration points. We call it our 10 penetration points, but that may or may not be consistent depending on what they have going on. And then tools needed, and then pictures associated. And then I think a really great professional, added value service would be the ability to just talk to someone on the phone. So if they've got the instructions, they've got some pictures, and then they can talk to someone. If they don't understand something, I've got Mark's contact information here. Mark knowing everything there is to know about everything. And then, of course, Billy, and Billy's been here longer than anybody else, and again, the second most knowledgeable. And then I'm on the ground with the guys every day. I don't have to have my contact info in here. It doesn't matter to me. I just thought that this would be a nice professional value-added service, and if a little triage, so that if someone isn't available and there's almost like an emergency or something urgent because they're in the middle of a process, having a few different contact numbers might be useful. Let me know what you think. If you like this, then I'll move forward with it.